Hello all, today in this video we are going to see an continuation of the previous video only. So within the previous video we made a demo for the basic library which is NumPy. In this video we are going to give another description of the basic library which is Pandas. So this is the one already we have done. Now we are going to work with Pandas. So Pandas, it is built for data analysis and manipulation, and it is usually used with NumPy. And here it is having series, data frame, etc. Series means for 1D label library will use series, but if it is an 2D label means will use data frame. This Pandas is also having different operations, and it is used in creating series and data frames, importing CSV files. For that we'll use pd.read underscore CSV, and for inspecting data the functions are used are head of, info of, describe of, and for selecting data we are using dot location of comma dot iloc dot. This by using this Pandas we can filter rows, add columns, and also remove columns. So first we can talk about this Pandas, which is the king of tabular data. Pandas makes easy to work with data frames, which is 2D table, and series, which is 1D arrays. So in the first code, if you see, means initially we are importing the library, and we are calling a data which is just having name, age, and city. Then we are converting this into an data frame. So if you see, means the output, it is a data frame. Data frame is a table like data structure which is great for organizing data in rows and columns. Each columns can be of different type, which is text, integer, float, etc. Here itself, if you see, means we have nearly 3 columns. In that, 2 are strings and 1 is integer. Then we are reading a CSV file. For that we are using pd.read underscore CSV. The CSV file already we have stored in our file. So this file which we have stored, we are just reading and we are printing. It's a head file. So this head file reads the CSV file and displays the first 5 rows. Actually, the CSV file is having only 5 rows, but if you are having whatever entries, it will display. But usually will display only 5 to 10. If here I'll show, if I give 3 means only 3 will give. Why we are here, we have not specified, since we are having only 5 columns. If it is having more than 10,000 or 20,000 columns, it will be difficult for us. So only we have made to this. We will generally in some machine learning and deep learning algorithms and all will make to view only some 5 or 10 columns. And yeah, this is maximum used to preview the data set. Next we are going to see the info function. This info function shows the column names, its data types, and non-null counts. And this is very useful to understand our data structure, because it will let us know whether it is an integer data type, whether it is an integer, object, string, etc. Because in some algorithms it will work with only integer, it will work with only objects. At that case, it will be this info function will be easy for us. Then we are using the describe function. This describe function, it gives a summary statistics of the like count, mean, standard deviation, min, max, etc. for the numeric columns in the data set. If you see, means integer columns are age and salary only. Others are objects. So for numeric columns, this describe function are used to describe its count, mean, standard deviation, min, max, and all. Then if you want a specific column, for example here I have mentioned salary, so it will be only display. For example, if you want just age means you have to just call its column name, so in that case it will be only displayed. So if you want some specific column means you can just call it by using this actual name. If you see means here in age the A is cap. So you should notice that the labeling is same. If it is caps means you should also call it as caps. So it should be only same. Just notice it. Then we can move with some conditions also. That is here we have given that if the salary is greater than 50,000, the entries with the salaries which is greater than 50,000 will be only called, others will be neglected. If you see means here our first column is neglected, that is the second row is neglected. Other four is only called since it is less than 50,000, that is its salary is less than 50,000. And by for multiple for conditions also you can give. Previously we gave the salary only 50,000, but in the next thing we are giving average salary. It should be something, and then the average salary it should be mean of, then only the people in Chennai will be displayed. Again with this pandas we can use the plot operation to just plot how many salaries, the salary count only we have chosen. Plot here you can use only for integers, so in that case you can also use also for this age. So this is the use of this pandas library. So today we have worked with pandas library. In the next video will be worked with another basic Python video. Thank you.